Hey, good evening, everybody. Got Kody Ashmore, Director of Weekly Options Strategies, bringing you tonight's free option video. Okay, so in tonight's video, we're going to talk about anatomy of a long continuation setup. I guess that's a cool title. There, we'll roll with that. All right, so what is anatomy of a long continuation setup? Well, let's go ahead and bring this on over here. And first off, the market is looking bullish, right? So therefore, we just want to find strong stocks and strong sectors, and then from there, we just need our entry zone. So the examples I want to talk about is for one was Uber. In the small account mentorship, we took advantage of this setup this week, and then we also went long shop before everyone was talking about it today. So what was the setups? I'm going to show you how and why we got into them, and we'll break them down. And it's going to sound arrogant when I say this, but it really is quite very simple. All right, so first up, we'll talk about Uber. All right, market's looking good, market's going up. What was the setup? All right, so first, get my little pen. All right, so the setup, first off, for a long continuation setup, really, we want the ADX to be green. We want green 10x bars. The beta you specifically, you would like them at least greater than 1. It's at the top of the yearly channel. It's above the 2-month channel stacked DMAs, and the VWAP stacked positive, meaning that the daily is above the weekly and the weekly is above the monthly, so on and so forth. All right, so by just simply looking at this information, you can see, all right, price wants to go up. So, but from there, simply just want to pick our entry, right? And so I found this ticker over the weekend, and we waited for the dip. We got long right here at the daily 21 EMA, which is also support from this little peak here. We got long it and locked it up, and we held it on through here. And 2 days we locked it up as it went right into this resistance zone right here, this orange box, just to show exactly what we did. Did the 38.40 call debit spread for 75 cents, and we're already out of it. We locked it up yesterday. But that's it. That's really how simple it is. Once you identify where something wants to go long, just nail that entry zone, that 21 EMA. All right, so another one, shop. Right, had a really great day today. We ended up closing it today, but we got in long before everyone else was talking about it. All right, so what was the anatomy of the trade, right? So we had gap up on earnings. These blue dots, that is greater than 50% of its average daily volume in 3 days total, right? Bam, 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 and it rallied. And then it's pulled back here. We got long right here as it touched this purple line, which is the 34 EMA. The ADX is green. Beta reaches the parameters we need for momentum. It's the top of the yearly channel, above the 60-day channel. Stacked EMAs, VWAP stack positive, just bullish, right? And at that point, you just need to wait for your pullback, which was here. We got long here last week, and we wrote it up and closed it out today. So just for an example, we did in this position, we did the 57.62 call debit spread for 210. And you see it's all the way up here at max profit. We already closed it up, locked it up as the markets are extended. Already went well above our profit target as far as the charts go, up into this zone right here, and locked it up. So just quickly recap today's lesson, and so you may find value in this video, is really whatever you're using, and this is what I use to find a bullish scenario or potential bullish scenario. Or I really should just say bullish trend. At that point, you just got to pick your entry. You got to remember, in trading, it's a world where we can't do anything. We can't control what happens in between. All we can do is control where we enter, how big a position size we put on, and when we get out. Everything else is out of our control. So if you can nail your entry, then I think you have a pretty good edge in this market. But that's all I have for y'all in tonight's free options video. But in the premium video, if y'all guys wish to check it out, join us in the options room or trade with me in the small account mastery. And I'm going to go over some scans to get ready to nail some entries in the event that this market looks like it wants to pull back. So everyone have a great evening, and I will see y'all in the next one. Take care.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me